Is AI going to be a real estate agent killer or its best friend? Hey, my name is Chance Brown. I'm the broker owner of CB&A Realtors, and I make video content for agents because I am passionate about helping realtors build great long-term profitable businesses. AI is all the buzzword, and there's all kinds of different things coming out about it, and there's good and bad like with everything else. But on one hand, we hear people saying, well, AI is going to be the death of the realtor, and on the other hand, we hear people saying the agents that learn to leverage this are going to be the ones that are around, and the ones that don't aren't. Which one is right? Well, let's start by talking about AI for just a second. You've probably already been through classes, you know enough, but here are some of the concerns with AI. Number one, it's not right. It's not right all the time. It has good ideas, but it's definitely not 100% surefire factual at the time of this recording. Number two, it is not your attorney. There are no such thing as the law offices of ChatGPT. So please, if you are using it to try to interpret legal documents or write special provisions or clauses, stop right now. Work with a real attorney, work with your broker. Do not use AI for that. The other thing that I would tell you is there's an over-reliance on AI for certain things that can lead to mistakes because AI is designed to make you happy. We were doing this in one of our offices recently, and we were playing around, and ChatGPT literally wrote, and I am not joking, "You're right, that's not correct. I was just trying to give you the answer you wanted." That's a problem. So you have to be very cautious with what you're using AI for in your business. Now, there are some great things that you can do with AI in your business. For example, here in Houston, Texas, we have a lot of agents that don't use English as their primary language. ChatGPT is able to level the playing field in the marketing universe for people who don't have English as a native tongue. It's awesome for that. We're able to enhance some of our marketing skills if you're not a great writer or whatever. We're able to bring in enhanced photographs, although we're not changing the photographs, we're just making them look better. We're able to bring in enhanced content, all kinds of stuff. From a marketing standpoint, AI is great. Is it going to kill realtors? Is it going to be an ally to those who adopt it? I tend to fall in the second camp. I think that agents who are embracing AI and using it to help them create tools and systems that in the end, whether it's directly or indirectly, create a better outcome for their clients, that create a better experience for their clients, are going to be the ones who win more business in the future, as opposed to the ones who continue to do things the old way, and it's a disjointed, clunky system, if it's a system at all, if they're not just feeling their way through transactions like lots of agents do. The ones who are able to figure out how to leverage artificial intelligence into business systems are going to be the agents who win in the future. That sounds all good and well. But how the hell do you do it? I would start very, very simply and just do a little online research. Watch some YouTube videos. Maybe ask ChatGPT how to do it, or what other apps are out there that might be able to help you accomplish what you're looking for. And then, I know you're going to overcomplicate what I'm about to say, even though it's the simplest thing in the world, but you're a realtor and that's what you do. Just go play around. You can't break it. Just go ask AI to do stuff for you, or ask AI what it should do for you, and it will tell you. And maybe it will show you some weaknesses in your processes and systems that you need to correct. But just go play around, because the more you get comfortable with this, the easier it is for you to start to make lists of things that you want to do and start to build these better systems. Because what you will find is the more comfortable you are with it and the better you get at prompting, the easier and faster this becomes. And you'll be able to take what seems like an overwhelming and really daunting problem and create a very simple solution in way less time than you think you can. And that is the power of what AI can bring to your business. Is instead of you having to go out and hire vendors or find a software or do whatever, you can create it yourself in just a few minutes. And that's the exciting advantage for the agents who are going to embrace AI, and I hope you are one of them. Hey, if this was valuable to you, I would be honored if you would subscribe, follow, like, share with one of your friends, and if I can ever be of service to you, please don't hesitate to reach out.